Problem 4 is interesting. Looking at the problem, reading it, the question to always ask is, well, what is this question asking? And it's found right here. How much would he have to invest when? Now, in order to accumulate such and such amount later on. About the only thing to really ask now is he doing the investing only one time or a multiple number of times? That is this going to be a present value or a payment? Because it's only one time, we know that this is a present value instead of a payment. Okay, so that's the first thing to do. Then picking up another color pen, I'll pick green. We'll simply go through the problem and look at all the knowns that are given. The first sentence tells us that he's trying to buy this car in 3 years. And so my time periods will be 3 years. Many times I'll put 0, 1, and then simply the last value because it's just 3 years. I'll actually go and put 0, 1, 2, and 3 for my n. Then n is not necessarily years. It's number of time periods. But this time periods and years are one and the same. The next sentence says the vehicle is expected to cost $80,000 at that time. At that time meaning 3 years. And so that would be my future value, $80,000. That's going to be a positive because he will be getting the car. The car is what is worth $80,000. If he can be lucky enough to find an investment yielding 12% over that 3-year time period, so what is that telling me? That's telling me my interest, and it is at 12%. So I is 12. There are not any payments. That's been the case for the last several problems. That will change eventually. But nonetheless, we put payment equals 0. We've thought through the problem rather well. We know one thing for sure. My end result will be negative. How do I know that before I do anything? 2 ways. One, I'm putting that money, it's an investment, okay? Secondly, if it is an investment, then it would have to be negative. And something has to be negative on all of these problems. Okay, so my N would be 3. My I is 12. 0 payment. 80,000 for the future value. So my present value is what I'm trying to find, and there we have the result. Negative $56,942 and rounding 42 cents. Just writing that down for my result. I have making sure the sign is negative. That is something that we will be looking for on any exams or homework. With the sign, you may claim, but I had the right number. If the sign is not correct, you actually did not have the right number. So up here, present value, writing it down here, negative 56,942 and 42 cents.